Welcome to the Chiefs Way. Now mash that subscribe button or drop and give me 50!
Hey YouTube, I just wanted to bring to your attention this super huge sale on these WEIZE 100 amp hour LiFePo4 batteries. If you watch my channel, you know I love these batteries. I have 6 of them. First one I had bought off of eBay, and you can see the last 5 I've purchased here from Amazon, from WEIZE, but never seen a price this low. $250. That is like crazy low. I might just buy me a couple more while I'm at it. Okay, the lowest I ever got them was the last 2 I purchased came to like $319.99, which that was a great price at the time. But this is crazy low at $249.99. I have no idea how long this sale is going to last, but if you want it, I would get on it quick. I'm probably going to get myself another 2. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you use WEIZE batteries and how you like them, and solar on. See you the next time.